Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use AI Enhance for photo editing on Google Pixel. This feature uses artificial intelligence to automatically improve your photos, making them look more vibrant and professional with just a single tap. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the Photo app on your Google Pixel device. Once the app opens, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several navigation options. Tap on Collections to access your organized photo library. This is where all your images are stored and categorized, making it easier to find the specific photo you want to enhance. Now scroll through your collections and locate the image you want to edit. Once you've found it, tap on the image to open it in full view. This will allow you to see the photo clearly before you start making any edits. With your photo now open, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the Edit button. This will take you into the editing interface where you'll find various tools and options to enhance your image. The Edit mode gives you access to all the powerful photo editing features that Google Pixel offers, including the AI Enhance tool. Once you're in the editing interface, make sure you are on the Auto tab at the bottom of the screen. This tab contains automatic enhancement options that use AI to improve your photos without requiring manual adjustments. It's designed to make photo editing quick and effortless, even if you don't have experience with traditional editing tools. Now you should be able to see the AI Enhance option right there. This is the feature that uses Google's advanced artificial intelligence to analyze your photo and automatically apply improvements to things like lighting, color balance, sharpness, and overall image quality. Tap on AI Enhance to activate this feature. After tapping AI Enhance, you'll need to wait a moment while the AI processes your image. During this time, the system is analyzing various aspects of your photo and applying intelligent adjustments to make it look its best. The processing time may vary depending on the complexity of the image, but it usually takes just a few seconds. Once the AI has finished processing, you can see the result and compare it with the original version. The enhanced photo should look noticeably better with improved colors, contrast, and overall visual appeal. Take a moment to review the changes and make sure you're happy with how the AI has transformed your image. If you're satisfied with the result, tap Save as Copy at the top of the screen. This option saves the enhanced version as a new file while keeping your original photo untouched. This way, you'll always have both versions available, giving you the flexibility to use either one depending on your needs. And that's it. You've successfully used AI Enhance to improve your photo on Google Pixel, transforming an ordinary image into something more polished and professional. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.